Hey guys, it's Davin here at brewbits.com. Behind the camera we've got James. Say hello, James. I thought I was going to have a brewing day today, so something I'm running a little bit short of is cider. And I've made the Brewer series cider from Mangrove Jack before, and we only used one pouch of the concentrated apple juice. And from my previous videos, as you know, I've done this with other kits and used 2 cans. So I thought we would do the same with the Mangrove Jack's Brewer series and use 2 pouches of the concentrated apple juice, top it up to 23 litres, no sugar, and see how that turns out. So, should be nice and easy and quick to make. Ooh, open the pouch. Pour it in. So that's both pouches in, and now there's still a lot in there, James, that I need to get out, so have a good old look. So one of the easiest ways of doing that is just with some hot tap water. Don't need to use boiling water on this one. Okay, so that's both pouches emptied out. Off they go. Quick clean up with my hands. And all I'm going to do now is into my sink, grab my long tap, and I'm going to fill this up to the 5 gallon mark, 23 litres, with cold tap water. So now we're up to the 5 gallon, 23 litre mark. We just need to give it a good stir to mix all that concentrated apple juice in with the water. I've taken a sample of the apple juice now in my trial jar, and with a hydrometer I've taken an SG reading, and that's coming out at 1.042. So if that fully ferments, we should have a cider at about 6.5%. Okie dokie, there's a couple of other sachets in this cider. So we've got some cider yeast and some cider sweetener. All ciders, when you've brewed them, come out quite dry, but I don't want to add the cider sweetener just yet. We'll do that to taste right at the very end. The cider yeast, what have I done with my scissors? I'm just literally gonna chop the top off and sprinkle it on top like that. That'll get to work, that will hydrate, and within a few hours that will start working on all that lovely sugar in there. I'm not going to use the second sachet because we just don't need to. I also like my cider quite oaky. Oh, I do. Okay, I've got don't need to use that one. I've got a pack of oak chips, and I've used half of this before in a previous cider or wine I've made, and so I'm just going to sprinkle in. It's about 15 grams in here. The full packet normally would have been 30, but as I say, I've already used half of it, so 15 grams gone in. And now I'm going to give this a good stir in to mix all of that oak in. And now, simple as that, I'm going to find my lid. I'm going to pop my lid on, but release it a little bit in one corner to let the extra CO2 escape. If you want to use a bubbler on top, then use yourself a bubbler airlock. But this now needs to go into a warm place, about 18 to 22 degrees for about 7 to 10 days.